Hello, I have a Temu haul, a Joann's, and something I got from Amazon. What was that other thing I got? Oh, a little tree I got. So I'll do the Temu first. Victor's here. Here he is. Here he is. He's got his bone from Mud Bay. He's very happy. And Mr. Retros is here.
Hey-ho.
He doesn't have a bone from Mud Bay. Maybe we'll go get him one later. This is influencer home. These finally showed up. I ordered these tactical holsters last month, and they kept saying it was stuck in customs. So then I get a refund, reorder them, and then they show up. So that's my goofy story, but that's okay. They said if they show up, I can keep them. They seem okay?
Yeah, but you know, you just have a
Oh
little.
gosh, are they leather?
Yeah, or
Wow, they are. Okay, one for me and one for baby Retros.
sort of leather. I guess it is. Yeah.
Because, yeah, you know, there was a shooting up on 35th and 95th
Oh, right, I
yesterday.
know.
So, baby Retros has her CCP, so we want her to be okay too.
Yeah.
So here's a clip, and these are just kind of, these are really nice. So now I got two more coming. We can use them for something else.
More guns.
Yeah. More tactical items. So, see,
Oh, yeah.
got two of them. These are left-handed though. Not that it really matters.
Yeah.
Baby Retros is
Put it
also
in your purse.
left-handed. She might want to clip it on. Yeah, she's also left-handed, so we're good there. I got this. Thanks. Get this for my baby Betty here. Maybe he'll be nice and model it for us. It's so funny. You put a shirt on this guy, and he acts like he's been hit with a tranquilizer dart. And his brothers are on Instagram called the Chihuahua Brothers. They're from the same parents.
Look at
Come here.
running.
Come here. Shove him over here. How does this go? Like this? Like this. Okay. There we go. There we go. It looks good. Anyway, his brothers are on Instagram. They're darling. One looks very similar to Victor, and the other one is more of a kind of blonde and white. Both long hair and Chiwis. Oh, he's feeling so dejected. But they were sitting around with shirts on just like this too. So I think that's I think I got it buttoned wrong, but yeah, I do. Sorry, buddy. Get this. This looks nice, though. It's
so nice.
Yeah, he's going for that animal print, you know, kind of 80s thing. Anyway, I can't get that one. I hate these snaps. They're really hard, especially on a dog outfit. I can't get it loose. Doggone it. Wait. There. All right. There we go. All right. How are we doing here? Judy. All right. Let me just do this bottom one. Boy, trying to get this on him when he got neutered. I had a little suit for him. I thought, oh, this is going to be really good. Oh, my Lord. Two of us could not get him in that. He was so upset. And it had these dang snaps on it.
You can't take a pill either.
Yeah, oh, we're trying to give this guy a pill. It's tough. Oh, it's almost the color of him. This is nice. You look good. Oh, it's really fuzzy and nice. It's a good fit, too. This is a small. Oh, you look so nice. He's not very happy. Anyway, he's going to stand there like a statue now. And this wasn't very expensive. Oh, this was all affiliate stuff. It didn't cost me anything. This one did. Yeah, no, these did. The rest of it didn't. This is screwed up. Yeah, half of it did, I guess. What I'm trying to say, I got another pin. Big, beautiful pin. Ooh, this is very nice. Look at that.
Yeah.
You pin it on here like that. Ooh, that's Snazbo. Yeah,
Really?
very glitzy. I don't know, I thought the blue was kind of nice. So that's very cool. What else did we get? Oh, I got a little boo-boo. Let's see here. Boo-boo. I think his face changes, kind of like Better Get Better. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Okay.
When does it change to?
Oh, is it changing?
Yeah, but it's the same face.
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
yeah. Oh, he's wild-eyed there. There's
Oh,
regular.
there.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Yeah. Those are different.
Yeah, that's very cute. Oh, there he's kind of laughing and cute. That's very... Oh, yeah. I just plan on putting little Santa hats on him. He just hasn't moved. Why you do this, Timmy? Why you do this? Maybe this will live anymore. Ooh, what's this? Got a zipper back here. I got this to use at Christmas. I'm gonna put a Santa hat on him.
Looks like he got a little sweater on or
I
something.
think so. He's got his sweat. I think it's a scarf, and it's got a little thing that says "Me Bear," Smibber. It's got a zipper back here. It's back there. Oh, they get a zipper, but it's just stuffing. I don't know. Maybe you're supposed to hide something in there. I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to hide. So this will just be a cute. God, he's cute though. He's a nice size. It's very soft too. I stand next to this dog statue.
Sweet.
Ooh, these are some. I like frogs. Frogs are fun. You feeling okay, Victor? These are some hair clips with little frogs on them. Yeah, got two of them. Very nice little froggy frogs. Those are snazzy. And then I bought, this was influencer. This is a bigger faux Rolex. Ooh, fancy. Let me see if I get it. How does it? No, it doesn't really sweep, but it's pretty good.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, I like it.
Is it adjustable? Or
Yeah, you can take links out if you want to wear it. I just like to wear it really big like this one. But if you want to wear it, you can. That's pretty nice. And it's that Poda gear. Poda gear. Yeah. Yeah, I like them big.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
It's got a date on it, too.
Yeah, it's got date. Yeah, you use that little kit.
Yeah.
We brought.
It's somewhere out
It's
there.
somewhere out there. We're working on the shed. We got it painted. It looks beautiful. So I'll have to take some pictures from it. But this is very nice. And then, okay, that's what I got at Temu. Then I got this stuff here. This is I got this off Amazon. My friend Diane, I've been posting things in my community tab, a link to her. I'll try to put a link to her channel in the description. But she tried this first, and it's this emu oil. You can use it on your hair, your face. It's supposed to tighten all your skin up and heal too. She had a big mark on her arm where it was kind of raw. She scraped it on something, but it healed it right up. It was nice. But she puts like half a dropper, say it's like this, on her hands. And that's what I did too. I just put it in your hands, rub it in, and then rub it on my face and neck, and then the rest I put on the back of my head. And I can still feel it on my face. I put it on this morning. I can still feel there's something on there. This is great stuff. I just got this 1 ounce one just to try in case it made me break out. And it was like $8. It's better than my expensive Perlier stuff. Though, this is a winner. I like it. Amazon. Then I went to Joann's, but first I went to Grocery Outlet, and they had these cute little trees for $3.99. And I thought I picked one. It's missing a jobby do, but I think I have one in my Christmas stuff. But let's see, it lights up. It's cute. They had a pink one. And then they had a green one, but the green one was missing a whole bunch of these things. So I didn't get the green one. Maybe if I go back, they'll get some more. I don't know.
How much were they?
$3.99.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe, because I went to the Icky one in Lake City. So maybe the nicer one has some green ones. The green one was like a pretty mint green. So that was $3.99. I got that. Then I went to Joann's fabric store. Got this bag. They were 50 off. All their Christmas was 50 off. And then I got a $10 coupon. Don't take it off because I want to get a picture. I used my $10 coupon too. So always use your coupons with those joints. I needed some greens for my
Keep it on. Sorry.
my little resin. What's that called? It's a boat, resin boat bowl that I have my our house type ornaments in, and this is the greens. These were the best looking, most realistic ones, and these were $3.99, and I think they were 40% off too, as well. So I got 4 of those. That should be enough to nestle in with my ornaments. Yeah, another one. Another one. So they had a lot of stuff. They were getting sold out of stuff, and they were still putting stuff out. That's how discombobulated ours is. They're still messing around putting fixtures up and putting stuff out while things are getting sold. Yeah, he wouldn't want to get your act together or anything.
No.
No. Then House of Johnny, I blame her on this. She showed me these. These are dupes of the Anthropology, Crate and Barrel, West Elm, have these little felt anthropomorphic, means they're wearing clothes like people's. These ornaments, and so these were marked. Where are they marked? They're marked for. They came up at 5 something. Yeah, this was more than 40% off. That's crazy. And then I got the $10 off, so I got this one. I just thought these would be cute to stand around in my stuff. Okay, I got all the ones that had the nice outfits on. This one, he's got a scarf. He's like a moose with a Christmas tree, all festive like. Let Victor see these. He wants these really bad if he sees them. Oh, look at this one. Look at it. It's Mrs. Raccoon. Yeah, she's got a little camel hair coat and a crocheted purse. And a little petticoat sticking out. These are darling. They had a goat thing, but it looked so weird. I didn't get it. It's like a goat with these horns sticking up. It's like, okay, that's a little much. Look at this little. This was the last one they had of this little sugar plum mousy here. He's gonna do a sugar plum fairy dance. And, this one. Yeah, this one. And this one, see, it's raining, and he's going to work. He's got his briefcase. He's all set. These are so cute. Let's see if I have a picture still of the Anthropology ones. They're $20 a piece, and they look a little too modern for me. These look more vintagey. Oh, he's got a necktie on too. He's so cute. And then lastly, of course, I had to get this frog on the pogo stick. The frog can hop on his own. I don't know why he'd need this stick.
I don't know. Going for personal best.
I guess so. He's just really up in his game.
Yeah.
So that's what I got. So, you got anything, Mr. Red Rose?
No.
Okay. We will see you later. Bye-bye.